Starting a small factory with limited capital and easy machines seems challenging. But it's achievable. The key is smart planning and choosing the right products. Let's break it down. First, identify a product. Focus on what's in demand with a low barrier to entry. Think about handmade soaps, candles, or small wooden toys. Research the market to ensure customer interest. Look at online marketplaces and local craft fairs. Next, assess your capital. How much can you realistically invest? This impacts your operation scale. Start small and scale up with profits. Prioritize essential equipment and materials. Avoid overspending. Basic, easy-to-use equipment is sufficient. Consider used equipment to save money. Third, develop a simple business plan. Outline your product, target market, startup costs, pricing strategy, and financial projections. This roadmap helps secure funding, even from personal savings. Fourth, find suppliers for your raw materials. Look for reliable suppliers with competitive pricing. Build relationships for consistent quality and timely delivery. Compare prices and negotiate terms. Fifth, set up your production space. This could be a spare room, garage, or a small rented space. Ensure it's clean, organized, and suitable. Safety is key. Invest in basic safety equipment. Sixth, acquire easy-to-use machines. Focus on simple to operate and maintain equipment. If making candles, you might need a melting pot, molds, and a thermometer. For soap, consider a basic soap-making kit. Research affordable, efficient machines. Watch tutorials to learn the equipment. Seventh, master the production process. Practice until you achieve consistent quality. Document your processes, taking notes on what works best. This is essential for customer satisfaction and brand image. Experiment and refine your methods. Small batch production allows for easy adjustments. Eighth, establish a pricing strategy. Determine your cost of goods sold. Add in labor costs, and then factor in a profit margin. Research competitor pricing. Pricing is crucial for profitability and should be regularly reevaluated. Ninth, market and sell your products. Start with online marketplaces like Etsy or Shopify. Social media marketing can be cost-efficient. Create high-quality product photos and write compelling descriptions. Consider local craft fairs and markets. Finally, manage your finances. Keep accurate records of all income and expenses. Reinvest profits wisely. Regularly review your business plan and adjust as needed. Stay informed about industry trends and customer feedback. To improve continuously. Starting a small factory with limited capital is a journey. It requires dedication and a willingness to learn. Following these steps increases your chances of success and builds a thriving business. Good luck.